Many years ago, I recall that this lake up ahead was one big lake, but it's now been split into two over the last few years, and it operates as a fishery. But from the far end, I took a lovely photo during the golden hour of some activity happening here, and way in the distance there was some local white cranes you could see in the field, and if I can dig out that photo I'll pop it into this vlog, as you can see there, hopefully. And here's the other part of the lake, the larger part, and I think there's some geese there in it, squawking away right there. And behind me there, this looks like one of those ducks which were stalking me in Madeira. It does look very like one of them, unless it's the Asian variety. And we've stumbled across a furniture maker here. Let's see the craftsman at work, but he's on the phone on a short break. It looks like he's making a shelving unit there. The spot I'm walking through now has been the subject of many of my photos in the past. And if you delve back to about 10 years ago in some of my earlier vlogs, you'll actually see that I shot some footage here, and there was some little goats clambering up on the side, which I don't know how they managed it, but it was so steep, it was almost just straight all the way down. So we're going on a tom-tom ride now down to the river on the far side of Fultali Bazaar and catch some fishermen in action. So here we go. Let's get on top of it. And Apna naam ki? Kemon naam? Ji. Mohammad Ruman Mia. Mohammad Ruman Mia. Kemon acho? Alhamdulillah bhalo achi. So Ruman is our driver of choice this afternoon on his tom-tom. So easy does it. The road is in bits, but with his expert precision driving, we're going to manage it in one piece. We've had to get out here because see what's in front of us there, that ramp, it won't be able to get up with a load of us in the tom-tom. So it looks like we're going to have to walk the rest of the way there. And that's a lovely sunset in front of us. So hopefully I'm going to get some lovely shots in the next while, just before it sets, and possibly even after it sets. Got to cross this very busy main road. And so we're safely on the other side of the road, heading down to the river to catch those fishermen in action. Fingers crossed. And we finally made it. There's one of the gentlemen fishermen on the banks there. And hopefully there's a few others. There's some boats in the distance with some ducks there. And there is the sunset over the river ahead of me. So we're now in Fultali Bazaar and Arfin has joined me and he's going to treat me to a local brew here at this tea stall. What's the name of this tea stall?
Selim Tea Stall, Fultali Bazaar.
Selim Tea Stall. And this is where all the gentlemen are seated and we have reserved seats at the back, if we can call it that. And it's World Cup fever, you can see it on the telly up above. They're all gathered around with their brews to watch the match. So Argentina and Saudi Arabia are playing. And the score is currently 1-1. Saudi Arabia just scored there. And just in time to try my brew. So this is a bargain at only 5 cents or 5 taka. I'm going to try this out now. Oh my goodness, it is very sweet. Too sweet for my liking, but it is delicious. So I can't say no to that. We've got to finish it. Cheers. Oh my goodness, they gave me a second cup of tea, so I could not refuse that. Anyway, right in front of the tea cabin, you have a few stalls there, so we're going to have a closer look at them. There's a gentleman selling his bananas there. And this gentleman seems to be selling some medicinal goods. And here we have a gentleman frying his street food. And let's see what we have in the collection here. Looks like deep fried aubergines there, or eggplant. And we have deep fried potato balls. And here we have deep fried lentil cakes. 18 muddaki banan. Pita. There's going to be some pita there, which is a special type of bread. And he's going to show us how it's going to be made. Iti kita chitol pita kita. And it's made with rice. So it's rice flour which has been mixed with water and cooked on that gas stove. So you basically use camping stoves here from the looks of things. Nothing fancy. And here we have another couple of gentlemen. After Namki? And Russell. So it looks like some chickpeas in there. Chananani, chickpeas, and then itiki. Beguni, that's deep fried aubergine, and then we have deep fried lentil cakes again. And then these are lentil samosas and itiki. And more potato balls. And then we have spiced potato, and then biryani there, and a bit of salad, some coriander, carrots, and what else can I say? Green chilies and red onions. So we're going to try one of these. And what was it? Dal samosa? It's a lentil samosa. Konrad besa? And it's only 5 taka. So I'm going to try this out. For the first time, never tried one of these before. If you can see that there in this subdued light. Pastry is good. It's crispy, but not too soft. You can see the lentils there peeping through. That is absolutely delicious. Only 5 taka, so that's about 5 cents. So we are just up by my grandmother's grave. That's my father's mother. So we're going to go up and say a prayer whilst we're here. And it is quite late now. It's about 9 p.m. That's why it's quite dark up here. So we're going to make our way. This is it. Up a few steps there through some hay. Even though it's quite dark. Hope you can make it out, but I'm going to try my best to enhance it if I can. Well, it's just through those gates there. If you can read that there.
তোমার নাম কি? তোমার নাম কি? হ্যালো। নাম কি?
Aku parang video.